Hey guys, a quick disclaimer before we get started here. The products I feature in this unboxing were purchased entirely with my own money, and the views I express are entirely my own. This means I purchased both the Redragon K551 and the Logitech K360 keyboards out of my own pocket, and I'm not getting any kind of pay or compensation for giving my opinions on either of these products. Long story short, I spent 40 bucks on this keyboard, and I'm reviewing it because I want to, and to have something to put on my channel. Enjoy! Well, as much as I hate to say it, this old keyboard here, much as I've loved it, it's starting to have a few issues. The 4 key doesn't work reliably. I've had to dismantle it, and this plastic never went back on right. However, the caps lock icon that diffuses and indicates caps lock is part of this plastic cover is the, well, a few reasons it's still on here. That's why I left it off. Also, it seems to help cover like giant holes that are in the keyboard. This is a K360. I'm going to keep it and use it as a backup, or when I'm just lazy and don't feel like actually sitting at my computer. It's typical membrane wireless keyboard. Been my daily driver. But, yeah. It's aged. Time to go. And so, today, I'll be replacing it, and you guys are seeing this with me. I have not opened this box yet. I'll be replacing it with a Redragon VARA 104 key. Yes, it's a single color. I've not looked at this keyboard yet. Oh man, that's heavy. That is a heavy box. Actual product may differ. Yeah, standard stuff. High quality LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. Man, I suck at doing straight lines. Let's see what we got. What's in the box? It's bubble wrapped. So there's the keyboard. I hope this is all getting on camera because I can't see anything from this angle. You get Dragon Knight Vera. Is it called Dragon Knight? This is the only place I'm seeing This is the only place I'm seeing Redragon Knight on the, I'm trying to grab my hands in the video. Whichever way I have it. This is the only place I'm seeing Dragon Knight listed on the thing. 18-month warranty. Spare part replacement's not covered under warranty. Fill in warranty card. Blah, 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 blah. If you spill liquid on the keyboard carelessly, please pull out the keyboard interface from the computer, wipe out the liquid in the keyboard, and put and dry the keyboard under the sun. Ensure the liquid in the keyboard has been evaporated before use. Good advice. Yep, all this looks like standard stuff. Oh, it has breathe function. Cool. And, oh, you get a... Oh, this was a sticker. It's just a... yeah, it's just a little... thing saying thank you for buying our product. Watch out. Anything else in the box? Key puller. That's important. Yeah, I have no idea where the stuff goes when I throw it. Oh, man. Holy jeez. Did they make this cable long enough? No. No, they did not. Whew. Spacebar feels a little janky. This actually feels really good overall. Yep. Blue switch. Oh, man. One of these clicks actually pick you up on the microphone. I'll have to find out. Okay, so this is it. This is the Redragon. Let me grab an extension, because I am probably about... I'm not that far from reaching the stupid place that needs to plug into. Man, to do this, I'm at like maximum extension here. I'll go ahead and emulate my setup. Okay. I'll put some of the light functions, but actually, you know, real quickly, let's see how this looks with the lights off. Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah, this is going to be such a dramatic difference between what I have now and what I'll have soon. Oh, there's the user manual. Yeah, I threw it over my shoulder because I didn't realize. I thought it was just warranty stuff. It actually also contains the brief user manual. Okay, so something interesting that I'm noticing is that the functions don't light up. Oh, you have to hold it, not just tap it. And if I do this, that locks the Windows key. Yep. I do it again, unlocks it. Oh, I'm hitting Windows. Oh, I like this. I really like this. This is cool. The only thing is a little annoying with me, and I want to check and see if there's any options. Oh. Aha! There are. I'm probably going to leave it about there. That looks pretty good. Oh, man. Oh, I like this. Okay. Let's see how it types. Yeah, little truth here. When I'm at my desk, my screen is actually behind me, so I'm not actually able to see what I'm typing easily. Okay, I'm quite chuffed with this. I might get another set of keys for it, but really, truly, there is one weird thing, and I'm not sure you can see it from this angle. I have a bunch of crap here, but zog it. One really odd thing about this keyboard is how tall the keys sit above the edge of the keyboard. I mean, look at that. Full thumb width, almost, above the edge of the keyboard. And more than that down here. Man, that feels good, though. That is a heavy keyboard. Anyways, this is the Redragon. It feels amazing. It looks amazing. Does it have feet? I bet it does. Oh, those are stiff. Well, right now, 5-star review. And I'm going to enjoy this keyboard for hopefully a long time to come. But man, that thing is heavy. Oh man, okay. Something else. I was about to cut this video, but something else I want to say. There's no real bezel to this to grab onto. But I mean, I'm using a lot of force here, and this thing is staying planted. I wonder how well it stays planted with the feet down. Because I tend to use keyboards, as horrible as it is for you, I tend to use keyboards laying flat. Yeah, it's actually a little slippier. It's a little more slippery laying flat. Yeah, this takes no force at all to move when it's flat. But you flip these feet out. I mean, this surface is pretty crap, but I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is. That's wiggly, but it's not bad. Okay. Well, I'm Carver, and this is the Redragon VARA backlit gaming keyboard in red. I still don't know why the only place that they have night located is on the user manual. That makes no sense to me. See you in the next one.